Hey guys, this is Artyom and this is the video about our core AI function, AI assistant. Ooh, it can do so many stuff for you that I usually say that the range of its capabilities is yet to be explored. But let's try to break it down. First of all, you'll find this Ask Me Anything button. This is AI Assistant. When you're exploring the inbox, when you're writing an email, when you're writing the shared draft, or when you're composing a template, you'll find it there. You can click on it and you can basically have a chat with it and try asking anything you wish with this AI Assistant. It can do lots of stuff. So, first of all, it can help you search for emails. You can give it some context like, hey, I had a call with this person. Do you remember anything about it? Can you help me find this email? You can also ask it to search for emails and do something with them, like search and archive, search and delete. And in general, you can ask it to do some basic actions like archiving stuff from 2 weeks, like can you archive all the notifications for me or something like this. So let's try something from it. For example, let me ask it how many emails from Artyom Litovchenko do I have? This is me. I hope there is no other Artyom Litovchenko in my inbox. Yep, great. So I have 20 emails from myself, and there we can see which emails, and to some of them we even have links. We can jump in and check what actually I wrote to myself in there. And then you can ask it, could you please archive all of them? Yep, there we go. And I can confirm it and archive. Oh. Probably the other three are already archived, and I have like 17 non-archived. Great, so I can archive them, and they will be gone from my inbox. But I don't want to do this, so I will skip this step. The other stuff that you can do with the Spark, with the AI Assistant, you can actually talk about the email that you're checking. So you can ask to check what's the core of it. So we have the summary feature, of course, where you can get the summary in a more clear form. But with AI Assistant, you can also just ask questions about specific email, about specific point in summary, and just have a discussion about it to, get some clarity about it. So, for example, I can just ask, what is this thread generally about? Yeah, there we go. So, and it gives me the key points, so I don't even have to read summary. And you would like me to find a time on your calendar that works for this Friday. Yeah. So it can also work with your calendar. I can, for example, ask it to create event, to reschedule event, to create event with participants of this email without any extra steps. So, guys, it will save your time so heavily. But let's go with this suggestion. Yes, please book it for this Friday. Thinking. And here we go. So I can edit it to see that the correct account, that the correct attendees are in here, agenda, and anything else, like everything that we have in the calendar functionality. You can also adjust it, for example, at video conference or something like this. Yep. And if we click create event, then I've scheduled it. So now if we go to calendar, we will find this event in here. So there we go. Yep. So now it's there, and I can then ask to rebook it or do anything else, as I said. Let's go back to this email, because there is something else that you can do. Yeah, there it is. Would you like me to draft a quick reply to Sergey? This is also possible. Just, yes, please. And here we go. So there is just a draft. I can open it. Yep, like this, for example. I can edit anything that I wish in here, and then I can just send it as usual. So just a normal draft. Besides, apart from drafting emails, it can also translate them for you as well. So if you prefer to keep everything within AI Assistant, you can also ask it to, could you please translate it, or could you please translate the thread in general? So it will help you with that as well. Besides, it can help you, as I previously mentioned, it can help you organizing your emails overall. So you can ask to place certain emails into folders. You can ask it to remove them from those folders. And so on and so on. Anything that you can imagine from organization, most likely that AI assistant can do it for you. And the last thing that I wanted to show you specifically is working with attachments. So Spark allows you to read attachments as well. So I hope that it will be able to read the one that I know. Yeah. So whenever you have an email that has attachments in there, like PDF attachments or any other, you can ask Spark to actually read it. So I never tried it with RTF. So let's see how it goes. Could you please tell me what's in HTML churn email.rtf attachment in the comments in this thread? Ooh. Oh, I'm unable to read the context. But still, so when you have, yeah, I can only read PDF and non-binary files. Yeah, but anyway, so you see, when you have the PDF file, unfortunately, I don't have any PDFs that I can show to you, but it will be able to read them, get the context out of them. So you don't have to, if you received some big PDF file that you need to review, you don't have to do this. You can just ask AI assistant to do this for you and give you the core details out of it. So that's actually pretty it about the functions of AI Assistant. In there, you can also always start a new chat, view past chats, and in the settings, Spark AI Assistant, yeah, you can make sure that AI Assistant is turned on. So if at the moment when you're watching this video, you don't have Ask Me Anything, just make sure to update your app and to enable this toggle. So I hope it was useful. See you in the next video, and if you have any questions, you can always contact us at support@sparkmailapp.com. Thank you for your attention. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.